Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
Straight text is great, but curved text looks even cooler. Here's how to create it in Photoshop. First, select the pen tool and draw a curved line on your canvas. Don't worry about making it perfect. Now switch to the Type tool and hover your cursor right over the path you drew. When the cursor changes shape, click and start typing. Your text will flow beautifully along the curve. Adjust the font, size, and color in the options bar, just like normal text. Use the Direct Selection tool to reshape your path anytime. Curved text adds real personality. Enjoy creating.